Hello, and welcome to Chapter 11, Microorganisms, Prokaryotes and Viruses. Whenever you see the word prokaryotes, most of the time in today's world we'll think of these as bacteria. So this chapter really could be called Bacteria and Viruses. In 11.1, we're going to take a look at prokaryotes, bacteria, and 11.2 we're going to look at viruses, one of the strangest entities on our planet. As a matter of fact, most biologists would say they're not even alive. Why? Well, they're not made of cells, and they don't grow and reproduce on their own. Some of the characteristics that all living things, except viruses, have. But we'll talk more about that in 11.2. Take a look at this diagram, this wonderful electron microscope diagram at the bottom. Those are bacteria cells. They're anywhere between 5 and 10 microns in size. And they're not colored that way. They're normally a whitish color, but they're colored that way for this particular shot. So welcome to Chapter 11. Let's start 11.1.